Gusto ko tong tanong ni Pom kasi alam ko marami makaka-relate. Sabi niya, I'm taking EDOC English as a freshman. Nakakakaba kasi mahina talaga ako sa English. Any tips po ba, ma'am? First of all, sir, congratulations on this new journey. The tips that I would like to share with you are personal to me. These are the things that I went through. We're going to summarize it because I want to share with you the things that got me to this level of English proficiency. So here are some of my tips to improve English proficiency. Number one, read regularly and widely. So books, articles, journals, pocketbooks in English. Diversify your reading materials. Include classic literature, contemporary novels, academic journals, and also genres and styles. Explore them. So it could be fiction, non-fiction, poetry, and writing styles para maintindihan natin yung iba-ibang narrative techniques and vocabularies.